policing system in Grenada offers an interesting model for studying how different countries maintain peace and order. And in this video, I will be explaining its structure, legal foundations, strengths, weaknesses, and how it compares to the Philippine policing system. Grenada is a small island nation in the Caribbean known as the Island of Spice. Despite its size, it has well-organized policing model that aims to ensure safety and stability for its citizens. This study focuses on understanding how Grenada's police system is structured, what type of policing model it follows, and its legal mandates guide officers in performing their duties. It also includes a comparison with the Philippines to give a broader perspective of policing practices. Between two very different countries, Grenada uses a centralized policing model, meaning the entire country is served by one main organization known as the Royal Grenada Police Force. This national force is responsible for maintaining order, investigating crimes, responding to emergencies, and protecting the public across the island. The structure of RGPF includes different divisions such as Criminal Investigation Department, the Traffic Department, Immigration Services, the Coast Guard, and the Special Service Unit. Each division has its own important role in addressing specific concerns and keeping the country secure. Like many police organizations worldwide, Grenada has a formal rank hierarchy that starts with senior command officers and goes down to lower ranking personnel. This hierarchy helps maintain discipline, allows clear communication, and ensures that orders flow smoothly within the organization. The study also highlights images of police stations and uniforms in Grenada. Their facilities are simple but functional, and uniforms differ depending on an officer's rank and assignment. These visual details help us understand how officers present themselves in public and how each rank is represented through uniform design. Grenada's policing system is guided by various laws that outline the powers, responsibilities, and limitations of the Royal Grenada Police Force. These laws explain how officers should conduct arrests, how search and seizure must be carried out, and what procedures they must follow in different situations. Officers are mandated to protect life, enforce criminal laws, keep the peace, and respond to emergencies. In recent years, Grenada has introduced reforms to improve profession, professionalism and strengthen human rights standards. These reforms aim to make police operations more transparent and accountable to the public. To further evaluate the police system, a SWOT analysis was conducted. A major strength of Grenada's system is its centralized structure, which allows uniform implementation of policies throughout the country. Officers are also trained in maritime operations, which is essential for an island nation. However, the system has weaknesses, such as limited manpower and equipment, which can affect operations during major incidents. Opportunities for improvement include enhancing community policing programs, strengthening international cooperation, and upgrading law enforcement. However, the system has weaknesses such as limited manpower and equipment, which can affect operations during major incidents. Opportunities for improvement include enhancing community policing programs, strengthening international cooperation, and upgrading law enforcement technology. Despite its strengths, the system faces threats such as drug trafficking and the impact of natural disasters like hurricanes, which can disrupt police work and strain resources. When comparing Grenada with the Philippines, several similarities and differences become clear. Both countries maintain nationwide police organizations. The RGPF in Grenada and the Philippine National Police in the Philippines. Both both forces are tasked with enforcing laws, protecting citizens, and maintaining order. However, the Philippines has a much larger population and territory, which makes its policing system more complex. The Philippines also handles challenges such as insurgency and terrorism, while Grenada focuses more on maritime security because of its geographical location. Training practices, operational strategies, and oversight mechanism differ, yet both countries aim to strengthen public safety and adapt to modern policing needs.